we'll get our shit together. Maybe when you're sober, maybe when it's summer, but I don't think so. Thinking love like this is raw and right, and only comes once, but I don't think so. I'm out of my mind. You're better off there, you know you are. It never feels right. Well, maybe when we're older, get our shit together. Maybe when you're sober,